What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. In today's video, I'm gonna give you 2 great ways to fold that t-shirt. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics, such as style, grooming, dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends, like Edo Furman, salute. Now, if you're anything like me, some of the most annoying things about clothes are some of the simplest things. For example, how to fold a t-shirt. Now I have to admit, I can't stand folding clothes, but it's just a necessary evil. So in today's video, I've got 2 great ways to fold a t-shirt. I've got one basic one, and another one you might not be familiar with that's fast and easy. So without further ado, let's get into this quick tutorial about how to fold that t-shirt 2 great ways. Now for this first way to fold a t-shirt, I'm gonna call this the simple basic retail way. Here's all you have to do. Take your standard t-shirt, place it face down. You're gonna reach over to the sleeve and the bottom corner opposite your body. Bring that side over to you, around to the point where the neck meets the shoulder on the side closest to you. Now bring the bottom up to the top and flip the shirt over. That's your basic t-shirt fold. This method of folding that t-shirt, we got what you call the 2-second fold. This one is fast, quick, and easy. Now all you have to do is divide the t-shirt into 3 separate points. Point A, you're gonna go up to the neck and come over to the shoulder about 1/3 of the way over. That's point A. Point B is gonna be in a direct line from point A down the shirt to the middle. And point C is gonna be drawn from point B all the way down to the hem. Now to do this fold, all you have to do is pinch point A with your top hand, pinch point B with your bottom hand. You're gonna bring point A all the way down to point C, grabbing all of the hem in your hand. And now here's where the magic happens. The last thing you have to do, quickly unwind your hands, shake the shirt out, lay it on the table and smooth it out. See that again in slow motion. Take point A, cross it all the way over to point C, unwind your hands, shake the shirt out, lay it on the table, and fold it. Now you may be asking yourself, can you use this method for a polo shirt as well? Yes, my brother, you can. Once again, drawing the same imaginary lines, grab point A, cross it down to point C. Then all you have to do is unwind your arms, shake the shirt out, place it down on the table, fold it over. Okay, so there you have it. 2 quick and easy ways on how to fold a t-shirt. I suggest you practice on the Style O.G Salute t-shirt. Best way to learn. Link in the description. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.